Okay, today I'm going to be working on my record lathe some more. Okay, so far I have changed this capacitor, which is 0.01 microfarads, and I have changed the 10 microfarad capacitor. So before I solder everything, I'm going to put it back together and make sure everything works. Then I will take it apart again and solder everything. Okay, I put everything back together and I checked the schematic of this record lathe radio system thing, and I checked the tubes and I noticed this tube was wrong, so I swapped it out for the right tube. This tube is also wrong. It's the rectifier. It converts the AC into DC, but I ordered another one and it's on the way. Okay, now we'll turn on the machine. Keep in mind the tubes will have to warm up before it produces sound.
I always wanted to learn Spanish, but I never thought I'd have the time. Then I discovered Babbel.
Babbel's lessons are fun. They only take like 10 or 15 minutes, and in 3 weeks, presto.
Okay, now we'll try the phonograph part. Keep in mind the astatic crystal cartridge is original to the machine from 1947, so it's not going to be the best sound because over time these crystals wear down in there. It uses a Rochelle salt crystal. But let's see if the amplifier amplifies it at all. Okay, I'm going to start it in radio mode, then I will switch to phonograph mode so that I can check and see if the amplifier is working. Here we go. So the sound on the phonograph part is improving slowly. Okay, now I'm going to try the flip side of this record. This record's from 1927. So you can definitely tell the sound is slowly improving. It gets louder. That is due to the corroded contacts inside the machine. The corrosion is wearing away and things are making better contact. Stay tuned for part 3 tomorrow.